Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of woodwork design, from simple and traditional pieces to highly modern creations. Whether you're a beginner just starting with small projects, or an experienced designer looking to expand your skills and profits, this video is for you. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribing helps you get our newest daily uploads instantly, and it also encourages us to keep producing more valuable content for you. Now let's look at the range of designs you can work with, and how each can be profitable. Simple designs: stools, shelves, coat hangers, breadboards, small tables. Easy to start with, low cost, fast turnover. Great for beginners learning tools. Intermediate designs: dining sets, cabinets, wardrobes, office desks. Requires more skills in measuring, joining, and finishing. Higher value products for families and businesses. Modern and highly advanced designs: modular furniture, smart storage systems, decorative wall panels, CNC carved designs. Mix of traditional wood with glass, metal, or fabric. Can sell at premium prices in luxury markets. If you're enjoying this, please hit subscribe. It ensures you get notified of tomorrow's video too. Woodwork is not just an art, it's a business opportunity. Here's how you can grow. 1. Know your customers. Some want affordable, quick pieces. Others want luxury. Offer both. 2. Diversify products. Small items sell fast, big projects bring big profit. Balance both. 3. Use technology. Hand tools are great for learning. Power tools increase speed. CNC machines and laser cutters bring precision and unique styles. Mixing traditional craftsmanship with modern tech satisfies more customers. 4. Marketing. Showcase your work on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. Highlight eco-friendly and durable aspects. 5. Value-added services. Offer personalized engraving for gifts. Provide repair or refinishing services. 6. Scaling for prosperity. Train others right pointing arrow job creation. Build a workshop right pointing arrow stable income. Export products right pointing arrow bigger profits. In woodwork, customer satisfaction is the key to prosperity. A happy customer not only returns, but also recommends you. Customization. Let clients choose colors, finishes, or sizes. Durability guarantee. Offer warranties. This builds trust. Eco-friendly promise. Today's customers value sustainability. When you satisfy customers, you don't just earn money, you create a lasting reputation, and that leads to long-term prosperity. To wrap up, woodwork brings beauty, durability, and environmental safety. It creates memories, jobs, and profits. From simple to highly modern designs, there's opportunity for everyone, beginner or expert. Technology helps you serve customers better and make higher profits. So whether you're starting out or already producing, woodwork is a pathway to creativity, income, and prosperity. Right finger don't forget. Hit subscribe now. By subscribing, you'll get our daily uploads first and support us in bringing you more valuable insights. Thank you for watching, and keep designing, keep building, and keep prospering.